Good morning, dear students. This is Mr. Mahmoud Azab with you. Our lesson today 14.2 Graph data using order pair. Our goal today is graphing points on a coordinated grid. Before starting this lesson, remember in lesson 14.2 we studied how to locate any point in a coordinate grid. And we said that the first step is run. The second step is rise. Of course, run means move horizontally to the right. Rise means move vertically up. So run, move right, rise, move up. Now read this question. Graph and label the point for each order pair below on the grid. Then connect the points with the line segments to form a shape. What shape did you draw? The first point is A 2 1, B 5 1, C 5 4, D 2 4. Begin with A. Of course, to graph the point A, we must move right 2 steps or 2 units. So run 2, then rise 1. So this is the location of the point A. B 5 1, run 5, rise 1. Here it is. This is B. C, run 5, rise 4. This is C. Point D, run 2, rise 4. So this is the point D. Now, the second part of the question, then connect the points with segments to form a shape. Now, connect AB, it's drawn, AB line segment. After that, BC, then continue CD and DA. Now, what is shape? Of course, this is a square. So the last required, what shape did you draw? I draw a square. Are you happy with this? Yes? Okay, good. Go to the next page. Page 784. Read this question. The question says, the table below shows the growth of a planet over a period of several days. Graph order pairs to show the plant's growth. Now, we'll use a coordinated grid, and time will be on the x-axis or the horizontal axis. The height must be on the vertical axis or the y-axis. And locate these order pairs. The first order pair is 1 4, then 3 8, 5 10, 7 11, 9 14. Now go. This is the coordinated grid. Now the first point 1 and 4, run 1, rise 4. So this is the first order pair or the first point. Then continue. After plotting the rest of the ordered pairs from the table, use a ruler to connect these points. Okay. The last question in the same page. We'll use this graph to answer this question. The question says, based on this data, about how tall was the plant on day 4, day 8? The first part, day 4. Go to day 4. Of course, run to 4. Remember, run, then rise. So, begin with the 0, run to the 4, then rise. And stop on the graph. On this broken line. Now, what the corresponding height. Look at the y-axis. Yes, the answer is a number between 8 and 10. I think the answer is about 9. So the corresponding height is about 9 centimeters. So on day 4, the height will be about 9 centimeters. For day 8, run to the 8, then rise, stop on the broken line. Now, what the corresponding height? Look at the y-axis. Yes, the corresponding height for day 8 is about 12 centimeters. So for day 8, the height is about 12 centimeters. Go to the next page. Are you happy with this? Yes. Go to the next page. Sorry, the next question. Question 3. The question says, in 3 to 6, graph each point on the grid and label it with the appropriate letter. Stop the video. You can finish from 3 to 6. Then come back to check your answer. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Point E, 1, 3. Of course, run 1, then rise 3. So this is the point B. This is the location. Then label this point with the appropriate letter. Of course, this is E. Question 4. F, 4, 4. Run 4, rise 4. So here it is. This is 4, 4. This is point F. Question 5. G, 5, 2. Run 5, rise 2. Here it is. This is point G. H, 0 and 2. Run 0, so stop, don't move. Don't move to the right. Just stop on the 0 and rise 2. So this is point H. Are you happy with this? Yes? Okay, go to the next question. In 7 to 18, graph and label each point on the grid at the right. Stop the video, please. Do from question 7 to 18, then come back to check your answer. Have you finished? Yes. Okay. Question 7, J. 2, 6. Of course, run 2, rise 6. Here it is. This is J. Question 8. K, 6, 2, run 6, rise 2. This is K. 9. Point L. 4, 5. Run 4, rise 5. Here it is. This is L. Question 10. Point M, 0 and 8. 0 means begin with the 0 and don't run. Just rise 8. So run 0, rise 8. This is point M. Question 11. N, 3, 9. Run 3, rise 9. This is point N. Question 12. V, 6 and 6. So run 6, rise 6. This is point V. Question 13. P, 1, 4. Run 1, rise 4. This is point P. Question 14. Q, 5 and 0. Run 5, rise nothing, or rise 0 units. So this is point Q. Question 15. R, 7, 3. Run 7, rise 3. This is point R. 16. S, 7, 8. Run 7, rise 8. This is point S. Question 17. T. 8, 1. Run 8, rise 1. So this point T. Question 18. U. 3 and 3. Run 3, rise 3. So this is point U. Remember what we studied before? Today we studied how to graph points on a coordinate grid. Goodbye.